Classical Cryptography, in Times of War. One-time pad. Description. In the third part of the e-learning course on Classical Cryptography, we focus on encryption methods, which were used in times of war. Namely, we will learn about the one-time pad, and the enigma. The concept behind the one-time pad was first described in 1882. In the end, Gilbert Vernon and Joseph Mauborgne reinvented this method successfully in its present-day form around 1918. For instance, the one-time pad was used during the Cold War for the protection of the red telephone. As we will see, this cipher is also a polyalphabetic substitution cipher. On the right, you can see examples of one-time pads, which contained the keys and were distributed between the communication partners. While there was a variant with numbers, we will focus on the one with letters, since the number variant can be easily deduced from it. If you want to learn more about the cryptography and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.